देव आलू स्वागत करें।
अपने उस करिए कि भी होंगे ने जेडे उस समय देश के नाम
हमारा देवियों सज्जनों वारंट ऑफिसर रजनीकांत आपके स्वागत जोरदार तालियों स्वागत करें। ये लीजिए अब आपके सामने हाजिर है एक और वायुयोद्धा सार्जेंट विश्वजीत पाल और इनके नाम है 400 से अधिक बार
See, it is an emotional moment for everyone, all the pilots who've flown, in fact, for the Air Force, since MiG-21 has served for more than 6 decades. And we'll just take you through the journey of MiG-21s inducted in 1963. It took part in the 1965 operations, where it was operationally deployed. 1971, MiG-21s were fully deployed. We had used them extensively. It had kills to its name. It was used in bombing role. The most notable one was bombing of the Tejgaon and Kurmitola airfield, where the Pakistani, East Pakistan at that point of time was grounded because most of the operations were done from that airfield. And of course the attack on the governor's residence, which led to hastening the process of Pakistan surrendering with 93,000 POWs, as you already know, in East Pakistan. Subsequently, in 1999, during Ops Safed Sagar, Kargil, MiG-21s were deployed. They were also used along with the other aircraft, like the MiG-27s and the Mirages. The images you already know how their command and control centers were destroyed at those heights using an aircraft and weapons beyond the capability of the aircraft. This was done by ingenuity of the pilots and the way the training kicked in at the important moment. Subsequently, it was also deployed in various international exercises. It participated, and then in Operation 2019 Balakot operations, Abhinandan had shot down an F-16, and as late as 2025 Operation Sindoor, it was deployed operationally. And now, after 62 years, we are here. Bidding by at the same place where it was inducted. It was inducted as first supersonic, and now Panther is the last squadron which I will be flying. Our Chief of Air Staff is also paying tribute by flying tribute to this aircraft by flying the last mission. There are 2 formations to be flying. One is Badal formation and one is Panther formation. And in the last formation, the LCA will be one who will be taking over from MiG-21. Thank you.
The MiG-21 holds a very special place in the annals of history as far as the Indian Air Force is concerned. It has served the Indian Air Force for over 60 years, having been inducted into the Indian Air Force in 1963. It has taken part in all major operations which India has seen after 1963, be it the 65 Ops, the stellar role this aircraft played during the 1971 Ops. In fact, it will not be wrong to say that this is the aircraft which was instrumental in ensuring the early surrender of the Pakistanis from Bangladesh after the attack by MiG-21s on the Governor House in Dhaka. After that, be it any operation, it has always been in the forefront of everything. We've seen it in action in Kargil thereafter. It shot down the Atlantic. We are all aware that after the Balakot strikes, the MiG-21 was the aircraft which shot down an F-16, and even during Ops Sindoor, it was carrying out operational patrols. So it has had a very rich and powerful history as far as the Indian Air Force is concerned, not only in the operational role but also in the training role. where almost all fighter pilots of maybe my seniority or little junior to me, we have all learned fighter flying in this aircraft. So this aircraft has made fighter pilots to almost the entire Air Force. So it does hold a very, very special place in the hearts of all in the Air Force, and therefore it is a special day that we are celebrating so many years of glorious service to the nation. We are celebrating it in a befitting manner through a flypast, some ceremonies on the ground, handing over of the Form 700, which is essentially a symbolic closing of all operational activities on this aircraft, which will be seen on the 26th.
It's going to say goodbye from the place where it was came in operation.
Absolutely. So when the Indian Air Force was inducted the MiG-21s, the Type 74 was brought in by ship to Bombay. There it was assembled, and after being assembled, the first MiG-21s were flown to Chandigarh, if I'm not wrong, via Agra, by the first squadron which flew the MiG-21s, which is 28th Squadron, also known as the first supersonics, because they are the first squadron to fly a supersonic aircraft, the MiG-21, in the Indian Air Force.
LCA Tejas is going to replace this. Do you think that it will be in that role that Tejas performed in Indian Air Force?
You must understand that the Tejas was planned as a replacement of the MiG-21. However, as time has passed, the Tejas itself has been upgraded, keeping in mind the realities of modern day combat. So I'm sure that the Tejas will do a great job in replacing and carrying the legacy of the MiG-21 forward.